Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix network problem on the OPPO A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just use the SIM card ejection tool which comes with your smartphone in the box, or you can use any SIM card ejection tool. Now from here, just insert the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole at the side of your smartphone. Now just take out the SIM card tray from your smartphone. Now from here, just take out the SIM card from your smartphone and insert it back in. Now just insert the SIM card tray back into your smartphone. Now from here, just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then open Settings and tap on System and Update. From here, just tap on Backup and Reset and select Reset Phone. And from this menu, just select Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset. Now this option will not delete any data of your smartphone. It will only reset all the network settings of your smartphone. Now finally, after you do that, then go to your home screen and restart your smartphone. For that, just press and hold the power button of your smartphone to open the power menu. Now if the power button of your smartphone is mapped to launch the digital assistant from Google instead of the power menu, just press the volume up button and the power button at the same time to open the power menu. Now from here, just swipe up and select Restart. Now if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix network problem on the OPPO A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.